So pressing the trigger is normal mode. Pressing the trigger and then this button on the top is turbo. Hi, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the famous PowerSmart brand. Now this is a 40-volt cordless blower. I'm pretty excited to get testing this out. We're going to open this up and we're going to show you guys everything you get inside the box, and then we're going to test it out to see how well it performs. And trust me, my friends, we're going to put it to the test, so you're not going to want to miss this. Okay, my friends, now we can take a look here. This is the battery, a nice hefty heavy-duty battery, and here is the battery charger. They do recommend charging the battery completely when you first get your blower, so we're going to go ahead and connect it, show you guys how that works and looks. Okay, my friends, while it's charging, you get a manual, you get your extensions, and for your extension pieces, just align them up like this so it would slide in, and then you just simply twist to snap it on. And here is the actual blower itself. Try not to block the back or the sides. So when you're holding it, don't have your hand holding the back, because this is where it's going to pull in air to allow it to blow out. You're going to have your trigger under here, put your battery underneath here, and we'll definitely demonstrate that for you guys, so stay tuned. According to the manual, when charging, the red LED will flash, letting you know it's charging. When the green LED is light, this indicates the battery is fully charged. When you're placing the battery on, make sure you slide it in the grooves perfectly and push down, and make sure you can feel that it connects. If it heats up, do not worry, they say that's normal, and the fan just keeps it cool while it's heating, or while it's charging, my friends. Pressing the trigger is normal mode. Pressing the trigger and then this button on the top is turbo. Well, I think it's safe to say this works excellent. Absolutely excellent. And after that blowing, even on turbo, it's still full bars. So we have almost full power, which is just incredible.